of you. This is my kingdom. Well, very soon I shall become king and you by my side as my queen.
Baby,
yes.
that would be my utmost pleasure.
Right.
My prince. They're not here, my prince.
What is it?
The king is dying.
What is going on?
The king is dying.
About the riches. Love is all about the sacrifice from the heart that gave.
Is this my food?
Yes, it's your food.
When did you start serving my food here?
See, Yoga, if you no go chop, leave am. Okay?
What is the meaning of this? Babe, what is this?
It's food. It's your food. F-O-O-D, food.
So you call this food?
Hey, did you give money to cook for you? Did you drop money in this house, John? My food's my food.
So, you now have the guts to talk back at me. And I'm your husband. You should respect me for that. You should respect me for that.
John, husbands provide money for food.
You listen to me.
What's the meaning of that?
Doctor, do you not think that it's just right we take him to the hospital?
No need for that. I'm here now.
Are you sure?
He will be fine. Don't worry.
How can you say he'll be fine when you did that earlier?
He will be fine. I will give him his medications. But he needs space.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's fine. That's okay. Mom, let's leave.
Okay. Didn't you hear what the doctor said? He said he needs space. Give him space.
Please, give him space. He needs rest. Okay? He will be fine. I'm here.
Love is not about the beauty. Love is not about the riches. Hey God, please don't let anything happen to him. Don't let anything happen to him, God.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything, no. I only went to give him water.
You only went to give him water?
Yes.
I warned you, Choma. Just pray that nothing happens to him, Choma. I warned you. I did.
What do you mean you want me? I just told you I went to give him water. If you don't have anything to say, just get out from here. Get out from here.
Of course I will. Shut up and get out as well. But be ready to answer to the royal household and the kingsmen of this land, should the king die.
Hey!
There's trouble.
There's trouble. I didn't do anything. You know me, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything to the king. I didn't do anything. I did not do anything. I did not do anything. God, please. Anna, you're going to. Hey, God. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Are you doing it?
Calm down, Mom. Alright, relax. You'll be fine. I assure you.
I don't want anything to happen to him suddenly. Because he deleted his will last week. Claiming he wants to write it, he wants to amend it. I don't know whatever he wanted to do with it. Why? I don't know. I don't know his reason for doing that. I don't want anything to happen to him because I don't know what's going to happen to us.
What is this?
My darling, nothing will happen to him, okay? The king will be fine, my queen. We need not worry. Nothing will happen to him. He'll be fine.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Just that I am worried. I am scared because Tina has gone to call her son. I don't know what they are planning. God.
It's okay, Mom. Let's wait until the doctor comes out, all right? And then we hear what he has to say. You know, go.
What is the problem? For 3 months you've not seen your parents, but you don't care. I just told you that your father slumped. You are talking rubbish. Afam, what is more important than your father's health? What are you doing that is more important than your father's health? Now listen. Your father deleted his will. You need to come back. What? This boy caught the call. What is going on? I have to call the sister. And where are you going to? Where are you going to? I'm talking to you. Where are you going to? Where are you going to? You will kill me today. You say you will kill me today.
I know you want to kill yourself. So if you think I will touch you, never. Go and kill yourself.
Okay, but you already started beating me. You already started beating me, so complete what you started. You want to kill me, Shay? You want to kill me so you can go around and carry your too many girlfriends, I shall okay.
Look, Ruby. Listen, look. Don't call me names. Okay. Do not call me names.
Now what should you do? What should you do? Beat me? Beat me! I'm already used to it. Beat me! You must beat me today. You must beat me today. Kill me! Kill me!
You know you are sick. You are looking for trouble. You are the problem I have in this house. Always bullying me. Am I? What's your problem? I won't touch you. I won't touch you. I won't touch you. What's your problem? What's your problem?
What did you do to my father? What did you do to my father? Listen, begin to speak. Begin to speak.
I didn't do anything.
Speak!
I didn't do anything.
So what happened?
I went to give him water.
And then?
And he didn't take the water before he slumped.
Where did you get the water from? What did you put in the water?
From the fridge. The fridge.
The fridge?
Yes.
Stop hitting her. Calm down.
The fridge? Hear me and hear me now. If anything happens to the king, I am going to kill you first. You hear me? I am going to set you ablaze.
What will happen to the king? She will eventually talk to us. Let's let her be. Come, let's go inside. Please, I beg you. Let's go inside.
I didn't do anything.
You mean she doesn't stay here anymore?
She left the campus 2 months ago.
2 months ago?
She was struggling to meet up with her expenses. And when it became so obvious to her, she left. She borrowed clothes, money, and even food from other students.
Oh. Okay, do you know where and how I can get to her?
I don't know. I learned she went to one village like that to see her poor mother.
Okay.
You look too good and handsome to be Choma's friend. Yeah. Maybe we can be friends, if you don't mind. Real men like you deserve good girls like me. Can we know each other, if you don't mind?
No, thanks.
Sacrifice from the heart that gave. Many will say I love you. Many will say I need you. But all
let me be going. Like I said before, he'll be fine. There's nothing to fear about. It's just his normal sickness.
I don't agree that this should be accepted as normal. Doctor, let's fly him abroad. Let him get good treatment. Please.
Chima, I know your father. He will resist it.
Why would he resist, Mom? Why would he? It's for his own good, Mom. I think that's what we should do. Really. Why is Afam not here? He should be here to be part of this planning. Right? Not like I cannot put this together myself, but you know how your son gets. He comes here and then he begins to refute everything that we have been able to put together. Tell him to come back home. His father is sick.
I've called him. He will be back.
Don't worry yourself. He will be fine. When you arrange for the abroad treatment, let me know. I have some recommendations to make before he leaves.
You've been very helpful, Doctor. Thank you. Very, very much. Thank you for always showing up each time we call. We appreciate it. Thank you. I hope you don't mind. I have a few things to discuss with you.
No problem.
In private.
Boy, I'm in love with this girl. I'm so much in love with this girl. I don't know what to do. What do you think I should do? How do I look at her? How?
My guy, man, you surprise me. I did basket for your win.
I don't understand.
Hold on, come. Does it mean if you don't see this girl, you cannot go for any other girl? I don't get it.
Bros, I love this girl so much. Don't you understand? Or can't you understand it? Eh? I love this girl. See, my spirit is telling me that Kate is lying to me. Yes, I believe she's lying to me. You know what? I think Kate wants me. And that's why she's lying.
have been to this girl's place several times without seeing her. If you ask me, her friend will be telling you the truth. Rush down to the village and know why your mom is calling.
What are you talking about? I'm talking something that is very important to me. You're telling me to rush down to the village to see my parents. What's that?
Okay. Your mom's call is not important.
Nothing is important to me than to see this girl. I need to locate her. I need to see her.
Okay. I found the lover boy. I found the lover boy.
You know me now. You know me.
EJ love. I know. I can see it in your eyes.
Seriously down for her.
I can see. Just take it easy.
I wish I could just locate her.
Just take it. But try and see your mom. Very important. Very, very important. Her mom sounded like she needed to see you.
My queen.
I had a lot of family matters started. So how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, my queen. It's fine, I completely understand.
What's your name?
My name is Mildred, my queen.
The lady you told me about. I hope you're as good as he made me believe you are. Anyway, don't mind me, it's all a joke.
Mom, there's nothing to worry about. She's a good person. I'll assure you that you will love her as much as I do.
And I see. Since you found love with my son, he is the heir apparent to this throne. As soon as the king gets better, he'll start up with marriage arrangements.
Wow.
So you make yourself comfortable. I have a lot of things to attend to.
Thank you so much, my queen. Your mom is such a wonderful person. She's so good.
I know.
I just hope your father will accept me too.
My father is the best. The best father-in-law you would ever wish for.
Really?
I assure you.
Wow, I must confess you have the best parents ever.
I am blessed.
You can't say that again. I can't wait for him to get better.
God, please. Don't let anything happen to him. Father, please heal him. I cover you with the blood of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen.
Come. Stand here. Come. Don't make me repeat myself. Come here. Stand right here.
I'm here.
Stand here. What are you doing here? Who asked you to come in here?
It's Princess Amanda's mother. She asked me to keep an eye on the king and report to her once he's awake. My prince.
My girl, stop. What is it now? Eh? You were message, man. Eh? I've been pursuing you, calling you. Stop. Hello. I was telling something to my customer. And when you passed, I said, who is this beautiful woman that came to my community that I don't know about? I said, let me come and inquire. How are you?
What about it? Do I owe you? Woman rapper?
Me, woman rapper? Oh, is that why you did not stop? But it's good that you have stopped. So let's talk.
So why will I stop? For you to count me among your numerous girlfriends, Akuya? You think I don't know you? Or I have not heard about you? I do.
You don't know me. You have not even heard about me. If you at all you know me, that means you are seeing me in CNN. Yes, AIT, that is where I reign. I don't reign in this village. Don't forget you are seeing me like this. There's no other place. No, nobody knows me. I'm a good guy. Listen, let me tell you. In fact, okay, let us talk. How much per night? Yes, let us talk. So you know how much per new? In fact, hold on. To show you that now I'm quick one, man. I'm ready to take show. Look at it. I say, wait. Take this one. Hold it. Hold it and keep it.
Thank you.
This one is for you to know that need zoom Emeka G money. Emeka is on money.
I appreciate this. Thank you very much. But I never knew you are a philanthropist, you know.
Philagen.
God bless you.
Come. I don't understand. Philanthropist. Did you see me in your church? I'm not a catechist. Not talk about Reverend Father. Not to talk of Reverend Father. Which kind of philanthropist? Listen, I gave you this money for us to discuss per night. Even this one, let us discuss, know how much per new. I can give you more. Do you understand? So I don't understand what you're saying. If you don't want the money, if you don't want me, give me back my money.
Wait. As what? An ashawo or what? I don't understand.
Do I know?
Do I look like an ashawo to you?
How will I know?
See.
Don't you have what ashawo people have?
What is that your name again? Emeka, right? If you ever try to stop me on the road again, what I will do to you, your family will cease to recognize you. Yes.
Listen, let me tell you, I'm not a Reverend Father. If you don't want me, you give me back my money. You cannot take my money and you're telling me which philanthropist? Do I look like a Reverend Father to you? Give me who is sick in the head. Come on, get away. You are sick in the face. Look at you. Is it because I ran to come and meet you and you think you can take my money and go like that? Come on, give me back my money. Give me my money. 1, if I count to 3. 1, 2. As I'm counting this thing, I'm counting your teeth. As I'm counting this thing, I'm counting your teeth. 1, of where's apple? 2, come back here.
How are you feeling now, Father?
I'm still alive.
Of course you are. We got worried, Father. We got worried. And for a moment, I started thinking to myself what I would do if anything happened to you.
Nothing. I will be fine. I will be fine.
I agree. But I think that it's time you travel abroad for checkup. Father, do not object. We need you. This kingdom needs you.
Look at my husband. I'm so happy to see you. How are you?
I'm good. Now look at both of you. Why are you thinking I was going to die? I am not dying now until the day my ancestors called me.
And that day is very far from now, Father. But for now, rest. The doctor says you need rest. Father, you need something?
No, not for now.
You do let me know.
Okay.
I'll leave you to rest now.
I'll beat you. I'll beat you. Give me back my money. Listen, I have counted to 10. I counted from 1 to 10. This one now, your teeth 10 has gone out. 32 minus 10.
Hey. You don't want to leave me, right? You don't want to leave me.
I don't want to leave you without my money. It's not possible. Don't let me start, oh. Don't let me start, oh. You don't know me in this village, oh. You don't know me in this village. Give me back my money. If you don't want me, give me my money. Or better still, Kaikona, you bend down. Sharp, sharp. One round, you can even take the money. I'm not greedy.
Emeka, do you know me? Do you know who I am?
Who are you? Come on, get out. Who are you?
Have you witnessed where an army woman slaps a guy? Don't let me disgrace you in this village, oh.
Hey, you army woman. Like this. You army woman. Eh? Do you know that I went to civil defense training? What can you do? Army versus civil defense. Let's know who will win. I have their cap at home. Do you understand? Listen, I went to civil defense training. I'm a civil defense person. Hey, you are wearing army cap for me.
Hold me.
No, you are wearing army cap for me. Emeka Diego in the village.
Just hold
You are wearing army cap for me. Do you know what this cap is? This is a criminal cap. I can tell you what criminals do to people. Who are you? Come on, will you give me my money? Nonsense. Give me my money before I change it for you. Nonsense.
Emeka, I better
give me back my money. Give me an army. Let me go my own.
Baby, what's it?
Nothing, oh.
Baby.
Nothing. How are you? You feel, baby?
Is this not Roma, Obi-Wan's cousin? The army lady?
Oh, you know me. Please tell him. Kawaria well. Makanga Abiani.
Army lady. There's nothing, though.
What are you doing with her?
Me? Do with her? Hey, I'm not doing anything with her. Eh? She came to my shop the other day. She collected me kandakwa. Eh? She did not give me money. I saw her here and I said, give me my money. She was begging me that she doesn't have money.
Emeka.
Eh?
She's an army lady, oh. She's the same person that carried a lot of army men to arrest Osinachi.
Are you serious? Hey! And she did not tell me. I love army people, oh. Let us go to my shop. Pico. Let's go.
Emeka.
Let's go. I have left the money.
Emeka, why did she leave you like this? I hope you're not asking her out.
Me? Ask Onyami out. Army people are my friends already. I don't need to ask her out. She has been the one begging me. Emeka, let me be your friend. Let me be your friend so that we'll be dashing meetings. I don't know. Let us go to my shop. Army lady. I would have given her more bread. Let us go. Hey! Army lady.
Emeka.
She did not tell me that she's army lady. Yeah, I didn't know that she told me.
Hey, love is not about the beauty. Love is not about the riches. Love is all about the sacrifice from the heart that cares. Hey, many will say I love you. Many will say I need you. But all they want is what they start to gain by being with you. True love is true love is
Is he awake?
No, my queen. But the king seems to be doing very fine.
You can leave now.
Thank you, my queen. Please, would you need me to do anything for you, my queen?
If I need you, I will call you. Go back to your duty.
What kind of marriage is this? Eh? Why did I get married to this woman? She gives me trouble like food every day. No child, no happiness, nothing. Che, Shineke. They said marriage is for better, for worse. So this is how I'm going to end? Never, never. I would rather kill her than to let her kill me. Whatever she wants, I'm going to give it to her. I will give it to her. Yes. Hello, Mom. Yeah, I'm fine. Mom, I told you I'm busy. I am busy, I cannot come. Mom, I just told you that I'm busy. Mom, if Dad dies without writing his will, there is going to be Second World War in that house. But if he chooses to be fine, then no wahala. If Chima likes, he can be there. Mom, I've told you, stop worrying yourself. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, bye.
Afam. My basin, your liver done. Your liver they cook and it don't die. I don't get. Because of a, you understand what? Because of a woman?
I love her. I love that girl. Can't you understand? I beg. Barman.
Yes, boss.
Get us some drink.
I'll head back in a bit.
Afam. I'm talking something very important to me. I mean, you understand what I'm trying to say. I love this girl. I love her. Ha. Barman, be fast, please. This one still loves a woman. He never says something. Foolish boy. Better go and answer your family before woman kill you. Idiots. Lover boy. Don't you know what is love? I love her.
Because of a woman. Because of a woman, you are ignoring your... I don't get it.
What is wrong with this boy? Is this how he's going to get his own royal share?
Mommy! Look at you!
My princess.
Yes, Mommy.
You are looking good.
I know.
Look at your hair.
My stylist did the magic.
This is royalty.
I know.
This is royalty. Anita, how are you?
I'm good, Mom. How about you?
You have seen me. I was on call with your brother.
Oh, really? Is he coming back?
Your brother is as stubborn as your father. I hope he will come back.
You worry too much. Relax. Daddy will be fine.
I hope so.
I know so. Mommy, I'll be back. Let me quickly get something from the kitchen to eat. I am very hungry. I miss you so much, Mommy.
I see that. I miss you.
Where do you think you're going all dressed up?
And what do you care? Huh? John, I'm your wife. I'm not some piece of furniture kept in the house all day. I need to go out. I need to breathe. The house is suffocating.
Sorry for disappointing you. You're not going anywhere today. So go in there.
John, what kind of nonsense is this now? John, I need to go out now. John, are you serious?
The earlier you realize that I'm the head of this house, the better for you. Now, go back into the house and that's fine.
John, I'm calling you nicely. Now come and open the door, John, I'm not a slave. I'm not a slave. I'm your wife, John.
I told you that if you become my girlfriend, you will enjoy my money. You thought I was joking. Now you see it. Are you not the one that's drinking coke now?
It's not my fault though. You see, Ogesha and Amara told me that you are a strong womanizer. That you will break my heart.
Brother, I want to take egg.
You want to eat what? Well, my friend, will you get inside? You want to eat egg?
I want just one egg.
Only 2. No, eat 2.
No, I'm not eating since morning.
If you're not eating today, go inside and cook it done. Go inside and prepare something like this. It's egg food. Look at you.
I know how to take egg now.
Take what? You see a child?
Just one.
Before you know it, she will take kuli and every other thing. This guy rip the shop. Trying to read them shop. See, let me tell you, they are just envious of you.
I know.
Somebody is calling me.
I'm sure it's a girl that is calling you now.
No, it's my sister. Leave it, leave it. No.
It might be important. Just speak.
Hello, Bube. What is this? Can you not want me? You are crying. Your husband is beating you. John is at it again. Listen, don't worry. Before you close your eyes, I will open it. You will see me in the city. Don't worry. I will show him that I'm a man like him. I gave you to him for marriage, not for punching bag. Not for him to use you as a punching bag. Tell him that war is coming. War is coming to his house. Nonsense. Can you imagine, Every day, my in-law will be beating my sister. Using the people as a punching bag. Not once, not twice. Every day, I will show him. I'm going to the city. He will see.
She has to leave. This is not the right time for the introduction. She has to leave.
Mother, it doesn't change anything. It does not.
My son, she has to leave. Do you want other people to use it against you? They will say your father is ill. All you could think about is to bring in a woman. Other woman is not good. I would run away.
I know, Mom, but she can still do that. That's why.
No, that is not wise. Respect your father. Your daughter is around. She will notice she's around. Okay?
Hey, love is not about the beauty. Love is not about the riches. Love is all about the sacrifice from the heart that gave. Hey.
Hello? Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I am. The prince, your brother.
Stand. You don't sit when I'm talking to you. I'm royalty. So, are you his girl?
Yes, I am.
Haven't you noticed that the mood in the palace is not right?
Are you his sister or his cousin?
You are not in the position to ask me such questions. I'm his sister. Doesn't matter which one. Go and return when the king gets well. Or are you not aware that he is ill?
Yes, I'm aware, but why do you speak to me in that tone?
What is going on here?
Nothing. It's not right to have a visitor now that the king is not well.
Amanda! What did she say to you?
Babe, it seems your family is not as in peace as I thought. She was so rude to me.
Did she insult you?
She said so much.
It's fine. Just sit. Alright. It's okay. Sit. I'll deal with it.
But
I understand. Okay? Hey. It's okay. Alright? It's fine. It's fine.
Daddy, please get well soon. Please.
I will be fine. I'll be fine. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, Daddy. I couldn't wait as soon as Mommy called me.
Thank you. Thank you. But how about your brother?
Brother Fam. He will soon be here, Daddy. Can I please lie with you?
Oh, sure.
Why are you taking me home? Eh? You know, I can actually stay here till your father, the king, recovers.
I understand, but you know, it will also be okay if you go home for a while the king recovers. And then you can come back again.
Chima, listen. I do not know what is going on in here. But if you do not want to marry me, tell me so I know. What is all this?
Omali Chang, we don't have to fight over this. Okay, relax. All I'm asking is that you just hold on a little. Let my father get well, and then I make a proper introduction.
But you know that I can actually stay here till your father recovers. I mean, my things are still in the car. I did not bring my boxes down. I sat in the living room for hours and nobody attended to me. No food, no water, nothing. And now you want to take me back. Just like that. Come on, it's not fair.
Mildred, this right here is a royal household. There are ways things are done here. You cannot be around here while the king struggles with his life. Let him get better. And I shall bring you back here and you will stay for as long as you want. And not only that, I shall also make a proper introduction. I give you my word that I am going to make you my wife. I will marry you. It's fine. It's not fight.
No, I'm asking.
It's fine. Let me drop you off. Let's not fight. I'm sure. Get in the car. Let me drop you off.
That was just...
Remember, right? Good girl. I used to be the king's favorite.
You know?
And I was a chief chef. King's favorite.
Yeah.
King's favorite.
Stop. Stop. Oh my God. It's not funny. I am only doing my work diligently. Please.
Choma, listen. This is a palace. The first family in this village. These people are rich and selfish. They care about nothing but themselves and their children. Get that into your head.
Anna is right. In this palace, just do your best and leave the rest. Even if you kill yourself for them, they will still not be satisfied. They do not have good plans for us apart from the salary we get every month. Understand it, Choma. Be wise.
Before you came to this palace, Juliet, the maid you replaced, had an accident on her way back from the market. And what did she get? Hospital bill and just a salary. Now she is lying helplessly in her father's house with no form of assistance. No assistance at all.
Chomali, I brought you into this palace. And I also remember telling you that doing your work diligently will also help you to retain your position as a maid in this palace. But you're beginning to make it look like your life depends on it.
Because my life sure depends on it.
Really?
You of all people should know why I am here. I dropped out from school because of money. I need to save up money to go back in 2 years. Enough that can last me throughout my years in school. Moreover, I am not doing anything differently, am I?
Okay. King's favorite.
Please, let me get the door. King's favorite. It's for you. Queen Mother sent for you.
Don't be tired, girlfriend. You are his favorite.
Somebody tell me I'm sure I've done nothing wrong. Can somebody tell me what I have done wrong?
Greetings, my prince, my queens, my princess,
Chioma,
my queen.
this is the 3rd time this same thing is happening to the king. And on each occasion, you are always the only one with him. Tell us exactly how you tried to kill him this time.
Jesus Christ. My queen, I swear to God, I don't know how it happened. I don't know how it happened. I didn't do anything.
How can you say that? But you were with him. Tell us exactly what you know.
My queen, the king asked me to get a cup of water for him. Although I noticed he was coughing persistently. So I rushed to get the water for him. On my return, I saw my king slumping helplessly. I rushed to assist him. That was when I started calling for help. I didn't do anything.
You can go back to your duty post now.
Thank you, my queen.
Well, I think that the onus rests on all of us to convince the king that he must travel abroad for medicals. That's what I think. By the way, why is Afam not here?
He'll soon be back.
When?
Brother Afam is still very busy. He will be joining us soon. This was urgent after your sister is not here.
Oh, shut your mouth. Shut up. How dare you talk to my son like that? Are you mad? Are you stupid or something? Are you mad?
How did she talk to your son?
Amanda. I'm not your mate. Do you hear me? I'm not your mate. A few minutes ago, you insulted my guest. I let it go. If you speak to me in that manner again,
What have I done? Oh, what have I done? Can somebody tell me? Hey, oh, I'm sure I've done nothing wrong. Hey, can somebody tell me what I have done wrong? Oh, I have no intention of hurting it. What wrong have I done? I didn't do anything wrong. innocent. I didn't do anything.
Story, Choma. You are talking story.
You don't even know where you are. We have been here long time before you came. I expect you to watch and understand the style with which we render our services in this palace. But no, you would rather continue to walk and walk. It isn't only you the walk they sweet. Enjoy it now.
Choma, you will put yourself in trouble, oh. You have to be careful. Stop this your eye service. Because we know. We know.
Anna, don't let me get mad at you this night. What is your problem? If you don't want to do your job, allow me to mine. I didn't do anything to anybody. I did not, Dikeh.
Hey, I know you did not do anything. Keep doing your work diligently,
I did not, Dikeh. They can say anything they like. You did not do anything.
Joy, did you hear that? She did not do anything. Choma, listen. If you enter trouble in this palace, I will just be here watching. We will be here watching. If you don't take your time in this palace.
Mom, he must be sleeping by now.
Allow him. Tomorrow you will call him back. Biko.
This boy wants to put me into shame.
Daddy asked me about him. After all, he wasn't the only one who didn't come back. Chini isn't back too.
Your brother is a man. He needs to come back home. Can't you see the way these people are presenting themselves to the Igwe as if they are his best family? I wouldn't want to face this war if Igwe doesn't rewrite his will. Hey,
Mom.
Afam.
Mom, calm down. Take it easy.
You know what? Tomorrow morning, I will personally call Brother Afam myself. Okay? Good night, Mom. I am feeling sleepy. Okay?
John, what is this now?
Go and sell my food. I'm not eating all day.
You are looking for my trouble, oh. You are looking for my trouble, oh. Time has gone, people are sleeping. You are looking for my trouble, John. Oh.
It's very simple. Go and sell my food. I'm hungry. I need to eat tonight.
There's no food.
You said what?
There is no food.
Then come and sleep. Let me see you now. Come and sleep here. You see, if there's no food for me tonight, there's no peace for you tonight.
John, I wanted to go out today. You told me I will not go out today. So you too, there's no food for you two today.
So, you are not challenging me, right? Right?
How am I challenging
you? So you are happy that you refuse to give your husband food tonight. Even throughout today, I didn't eat anything. You are happy. Even tonight, no food.
Are you the husband?
Huh?
Look at yourself very well. You call yourself a husband. Eh? You husband. Okay, wait. So if people are calling husband, you will come out and call yourself husband. Eh? Husband that does not know how to drop money for food. Husband that beats his wife anyhow. Husband that talks to his wife anyhow and practices her anyhow. You to your husband. Like my husband. Look at you. Adaka. You. Hey.
Very good. Thank you very much. Come and sleep. Let me see you now.
See, if I don't have peace tonight, you will not have peace tonight.
Come and sleep.
You will not have peace tonight. I'm telling you, John. You go promise now. John, what is wrong with you now? Eh?
Go and sell my food.
John, what is it?
Go and sell my food.
What is this one?
I said go and sell my food. Go and sell my food. I'm hungry. Go and sell my food. I'm going to go Go and serve food. Because you see, go and serve my food. I am putting you everything. Everywhere, go and serve my food. Everywhere, go and serve my food.
I'm sure I've done nothing wrong. Can somebody tell me what I have done wrong?
Good morning, my king.
Chioma, how are you?
I'm fine, my king. I am so sorry. I didn't know you'd be back so early.
Oh, go ahead with what you are doing. I will sit on this chair, right? Just that I need a rest.
Thank you, my king. I'll be very fast.
Oh.
Love is not about the beauty. Love is not about the riches. Love is all about the sacrifice from the heart that gave. If unanya sikwawike, if unanya tekwanomilio, yeah, osibiki wetezi funanya. Osibiki wetezi, yeah. Osibiki wetezi, ezi funanya no ferarun toda oh. Osibiki wetezi, manichota ya, nadaka yego sikia oh.
Thank you, Chioma. You are a lifesaver.
It's nothing, my king. I'm glad you are safe. I'm true, your highness. You can come and rest now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My king.
Yes.
Would you need me to do anything else for you?
Nothing for now. Nothing. When I need you, I will call you. Okay?
Alright, my king.
Please shut the door. When breakfast is ready, let me know.
I will, my king.
Today, city will break into two. Township will break into two. They will know that I have come. He will know that I have arrived. For beating my sister, he will see war.
Brother, please take it easy. Please, don't go and overdo things, please.
Take it easy. Take it easy. You want John to kill your sister? Eh? You want John to kill your sister? I will not take it.
Good morning.
I will. Bring my bag, Good morning.
Where are you going to?
To the city.
We didn't discuss about that now.
It came urgent. It came urgent. I have to go to the city before John will kill my sister for me.
They are still fighting.
Eh? Can you imagine? I don't know. Is this how to marry a woman? Eh? Is this how to marry a woman and I be you as my girlfriend have been taking care of you? John has been beating my sister every day. John will kill me. John will kill me. John will kill me. Everybody you kill me.
Hey.
Is that how to marry a woman? This will make me now and start thinking of how not to marry. And it will affect you and you know it. Let me go there before you kill my sister for me. Let me go and deal with him. I will come back today. If I did not come back, know you that I have died here. Because I would rather die than to come back without killing John.
You're not going to die.
If not wanted, I would have gone with village police. Go there and arrest him.
You're not dying, rather it's John that would die. Yes, you won't die.
He will die, yo. He will die. He will die. By the time, in fact, I'm coming back today. Listen, take care of my shop.
Okay.
I know you. Take care of my shop. If you eat chewing-gum, don't eat sweet. If you eat chewing-gum, don't eat sweet. Then carry the key and give her. Both of you look after my shop. And you know yourself. If you eat biscuit, don't eat sweet.
Emeka is okay.
I've told you now. I don't want to come back and become poor. If I will become poor, let me better die in the city. Because what I have here is the letter to Jesus Christ. Let me go. Take care of her.
Bye-bye, brother. Bye-bye.
Be careful. I will. You hear what I said? Huh? You heard me. If you eat biscuit, don't eat chewing-gum. I'm telling you, both of you, because I know you too. You know how many look at your lips. You are using it to eat biscuit. If you want to eat chewing-gum, eat one product. It's not if you eat this one, you eat this one. I don't want to come back and meet myself.
Take care.
All right.
Be careful.
This is totally unacceptable, mother. This is totally... How can father come up with such senseless idea? Don't tell me to hush it, Mom. How can he force that local village maid on me, Mom? This is the 21st century. And we as a people have rights to our own choices. I'm an adult, Mom. And when it comes to choosing a life partner, it's totally my choice, my decision. That's how it works. Goodness me, what is this now? Come on. Listen, I don't care who she is. I don't care what happens. I'm not doing it. Chama, or whatever her name is, can go to hell and burn.
No. You must do as your father has said. Chima, you know what is at stake?
I don't know.
It is about you losing half of your father's empire to Tina and Afam Hassan. Think about it. It is no longer about you. It is about you losing what rightfully belongs to you as the heir.
Mother, how about my happiness? How about what I want? How about Mildred? How about her? That girl is a good girl and I love her. She does not deserve this kind of betrayal, Mom.
They have. Yes. Everyone has a price. Find out her price and pay her. She's happy, you are happy. Don't display weakness now, because you are not a weakling. For love is for weaklings. My son, you are a brave man. So display that bravery now. Come on.